ISTQB, the shift from traditional approaches like the V model and waterfall to Agile methodologies such as Scrum and Kanban. The ISTQB syllabus has been updated by bringing the foundation and Agile testing streams together. In today's world of software development, Agile practices are the norm. The majority of development activities are now performed in Agile way, whether it's Scrum, Kanban, XP or Lean. Developers and organizations have embraced it. In the past, 50% of organizations claimed to be working in a more sequential manner. They followed the V model or waterfall methodology. The ISTQB syllabus, which has been the foundation of testing practices, needed a serious update. In the past, the focus was on finding defects, but now it's a new magic term, the shift-left approach. The principle of early testing, often referred as shift-left, means testing is performed earlier in the software development lifecycle. It emphasizes collaboration between test teams and development teams to detect defects in an early phase. Teams now write requirements together, create user stories, and define acceptance criteria in a joint effort to avoid defects. In a shift-left approach, testing is no longer waiting for code implementation or component integration. Instead, it starts early. Adopting a shift-left approach might require additional training effort in the early stages. However, it is expected to save efforts and cost later in the process. There are several good practices that illustrate how to achieve a shift-left in testing. Firstly, reviewing the specification from a testing perspective. This review often uncovers potential defects such as ambiguities, incompleteness, and inconsistencies. Secondly, writing test cases before the code is written and executing them in a test harness during code implementation. Lastly, performing non-functional testing starting at the component test level whenever possible. This is a form of shift-left, as non-functional tests are typically done later in SDLC when a complete system and representative test environment are available. As the software development landscape continues to evolve, the shift-left approach has gained momentum. By applying collaboration, early testing, and incorporating best practices, organizations can improve their software quality while reducing cost and effort.
SAP. This V model is indeed bypassed by specific test approaches. However, the shift-left approach is, in my opinion, a bridge too far. It's never wise to start writing test cases before the development or configuration is done. Only mentioning the new way of Agile is too generic to cover the test approach of software. There is need for more software-specific implementation and testing models. While in custom development, writing code, the focus is on detecting the bug, the focus on built ERP packages like SAP is to validate the system. The fact that SAP announced its own way of implementing, including setting the quality criteria for testing, is something which needs more attention. SAP recommended project methodology is of course called SAP Activate. SAP Activate is an iterative methodology specifically designed for SAP implementations and upgrades. It combines elements of traditional waterfall approaches while aging principles to deliver SAP solutions effectively. SAP Activate consists of several phases, including prepare, explore, realize, deploy, and run. Each phase has specific deliverables, activities, and milestones to ensure a structured and controlled implementation process. The fact that the largest software in the world get almost no attention in the foundation of a test syllabus is almost a direct neglection of reality in the world of ERP testing.